Hi, this is Nicholas, and I'm going to be showing you some Blockly-based work that I've been doing over the last week or so during my commute into and out of work into London. The first thing I'm going to show you is the browser-based editor that we've written, and if you notice, we've added a Blockly button. When you click it, a Blockly pane appears on the left-hand side, and as you move blocks around from Blockly, the code on the right-hand side will automatically update. So, for example, I might want to scroll a message, so I move the block for scrolling a message onto the screen, and the other thing that I need to do is give it some text to display, so I can move the text block in, and I can start to type the text that I would like to have displayed. Notice how that it's importing the correct things as well using the Python import statement, and it does this automatically as well. So if I drag a music block on and start changing things around, it automatically updates, imports the right sorts of things and everything, and it works just like you would normally expect of the Python editor. Now that I've got my script, I can download it or save it and so on and so forth. So that's what it looks like in the browser, but importantly, I've also made it work with Mu. So here's Mu. Looks just like normal Mu, but notice there's a blocks button at the top, so I'm going to create a new file here, use blocks, and again here we have Blockly on the left and code on the right, and just as before, display dot scroll message. As I update things in the left hand side, on the right hand side things appear in code automatically. And what's more, once I get rid of my blocks, there we go, it's updated, get rid of the blocks, I can still do things like check and flash the device with this new amazing code. The important thing is that as we work with blocks, more blocks will become available for different sorts of Python projects, and hopefully we will be building a bridge that allows users who are used to perhaps programming in Scratch and moving a little pussycat around the screen as you do in Scratch. You'll be able to use the knowledge of composing blocks and assembling them in a particular way to make things happen. You'll be able to do this in Mu and in the browser-based editor and see how that works in the Python text-based coding land, as it were, and then eventually, once you realize that you can be more expressive using Python in a text-based programming language, you'll move gradually into using just text-based programming. I've also made sure that not everything that you can do with a microbit is available in blocks. Some of the really cool, more complicated features to do with the microbit you can only access using Python. But that's it in a nutshell. It was quite easy to do. Well done to the Blockly developers. It was a real pleasure to work with this code. And funnily enough, the way we've written our code means that it's very easy for us to integrate all this together. That's it.